if there's one thing that you can do to this 6 Series, which is a 2012 to 2015, this one in particular, 2015 6 Series, that will really update and give this car a new feeling on the inside, it is the updated screen. What can I say about this thing? When you step into this interior versus the old screen, this makes it feel completely modern. This kind of like tablet style is still relevant today, and you don't see the thick bezels that you do on the 2012 to 2015s. Now, installation was actually really easy. It took me about 4 hours to, and there's instructions, and I'll link the video to swap out the screens. And I mean, it just looks way better. You know, before I put like a glossy screen protector on, and that definitely helped with the contrast. But this one, it just looks good. This makes it feel like a modern car, and is probably the #1 thing that I would do if I were to get this year 6 Series again. So let's show it to you. And also, what I also did at the same time was I bought the MMI kit from BeamerTech, and that gave it wireless Apple CarPlay. So let me turn on and let me show you. Let's see, and my cell phone should connect almost instantly. And you give it a couple seconds. It takes about 10 seconds to basically boot up and start. And then once your phone detects and connects, you'll automatically go into CarPlay. And they added CarPlay to the 6 Series in 2017. And in 2016, they updated the car to have the new screen design. It's still the same size screen and the same resolution. Now, the CarPlay MMI kit gives you full screen CarPlay, and it works pretty well. I'd say 95% of the time it's good. It's smooth and not too glitchy. And a lot of times, the mode that I have it set at that I really like is this one that's widescreen. So you get the navigation and you get the infotainment controls. And what is nice is you can still control everything with the steering wheel. So you can control, you know, track forward, track back, volume up, volume down, and then of course with the iDrive controller. Now in 2015, and this one's got the executive package, which gives you this like black chrome finish. In 2015, they updated the controller to have this big knob, but you can just buy the big knob and put it on the older iDrives to give you this look and finish. So this is probably, I mean, you're not going to ever go back to the old iDrive. And if you did want to, just to check out some things, to reset things, you just press and hold down the menu button, and bam, you're in there. And you got your iDrive, and it's the same. So, you know, vehicle status, vehicle displays, sport displays, so on and so forth. I mean, all that's the same. It's just you hold down that menu button and you're back into CarPlay. And that's how it's going to be, you know, when you're driving 90% of the time, you know. So this is easily the #1 upgrade for your car, because you're going to spend all the time inside your car. Make it updated, make it feel modern. That screen is the one thing that makes it feel dated. So just a quick video, guys. Sorry I haven't published a video in a while. Went through a pretty nasty divorce. Just now kind of getting back into the swing of life as a man. So appreciate your support. Leave a comment, like, what do you think? You know, this is, in my opinion, it's the best upgrade. If you think the same, leave the comment. I'll put all the information in the description below to buy everything that you see here to get this, and including the installation video that I referenced to install this. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.